We back, folks. Oh gosh. The marsh. Did I tell you we saw a giant pelican out here? Yeah. Nice and windy. This is a perfect day for top water, actually. Like. You already got hit.
That was like.
Oh, I missed one just there. Did you see that?
Oh, top water day.
Just had a little one dart for it.
Is it koi?
Oh, is that the koi? What? There's two?
Yeah.
No way. There's more koi in here than I thought, I guess. I hate wind. I actually prefer it to be pouring rain than windy. I like to go out in the rain, but I absolutely hate wind. Oh my God. They're gonna come in and they're gonna use a really, it's like you'll see a huge wake behind your bait. They're gonna follow it for a good, like maybe 5, sometimes even 10 feet. The worst.
Oh my gosh, this is heavy.
You missed him?
Yeah. I wasn't paying attention.
Hey, what'd you get him on? Like a little one? They love mini buzzbaits in this marsh. Like, look at that. Do you see that thing we're over, Grayson? Purdy. They fight really well in here. Watch your rod. Got him. Oh, he's nice. Dang. Whoa. Look at that on the structure bug. Oh gosh. There we go. There's one on the wobblehead. At first I thought I was on a stick, so I tried to pull it over, like, but then it ended up being a fish. Good old sniff. Should we get an underwater release? Nah, we'll do that with a better one. If we catch a better one. Underwater releases in the marsh are just sick. They're dope, legit nasty. They're the dopest. Get him. Get him. So many weeds. You got him? You sure it was a fish? These baits are so fragile though. Like the rage craws aren't, but these structure bugs, they really don't. Yeah. Oh no, 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 no. We cannot drift into the fishing spot. Crap nuggets. Okay, wind is officially my least favorite thing on the planet right now. Nice.
That's probably the same one that I love. No, I hit it and my line just went like this, like went off.
Not babysitting. Oh, I got one.
That's the same one that I
Holy cow, he's fast. Whoo! Look at that guy.
That's the same
so one. Much energy in this fish.
Oh, right.
It's kind of weird. I'm bottom fishing here for. Oh goodness. What would you call this? A little over 2? Close to 2.5 because he's so fat. There we go. Just a little piggy. Look at that belly. These fish are so beautiful back here in this.
Why did you have to steal my fish?
All right, let's get an underwater release with this fella. All right. Yes, I know, it's the greatest. I know, it's so good. It's my favorite rod on the planet right now. They're so rare because they only sold them in 2015. They're a limited edition.
This one?
I love this area's clear.
Here.
Oh. Was that a fish? Where's he at? Hey.
No, wait. That's a bald eagle.
Hey, bald eagle.
Oh, that's so cool.
That's cool. I hadn't seen one back here in a while. Tail, actually.
I got it.
Okay, I can just reach it from here. Let's get this line out of here. You see what I mean by noob fishermen? They just get, like, that was such an easy snag to get out, but they just leave the line. You want it?
No, I don't.
The hook just broke. Irregularity. Got him. Woo! About to get fancy up in here. That was a really bad idea. It almost worked. I blame the wind. Swing it around like this. Then take a few steps. And then if you reel like this, guaranteed. Oh yeah, when your line goes under the hook keeper and everything, it's perfect. Just look at that. Holy crap, man. Show them that. Show them the best marsh bait ever. Right there. When you're fishing in like 3 feet, you just want to throw a big old Magnum crankbait like that. You just want to have like half a bait on the front. I'm telling you. The fish just, it go crazy for it. See, that's you want it to look like a bird swooped down and just went yump and took half its head.
See how unfisherman like?
Unfisherman like?
That's better than this.
Someday we should do an upside down rod and reel challenge where we catch fish like doing this and then holding spinning rods right side up. I mean, heck, this could be a challenge video, easy peasy. He actually go. Dang.
So cool.
Oh. Oh! 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 No! You are not getting away. I caught it with my rod upside down. Oh my gosh, I'm crying. I caught it with my rod upside down, like with my hand right here. I don't know if I even hooked him. I think I just yanked him out of the water. Who's got the bigger fish?
Definitely.
You have the longer fish. Yeah, yours is bigger.
Pig right there.
Yeah. Mine's got a weird forehead.
Oh, you got that smell.
Clear my sinuses. That was a good sniff, boy. Okay, we're gonna...
Yeah, Dimebox, he was like, Drew's like this, he stuck his nose in there, he's like, what if it bit me? There's like chomp, and he's like, ah!
All right, thank you, little buddy. He hit it right there, like as I was about to reel it in.
Oh, great snack.
I'm fishing upside down from now on because...
I saw that.
I had an upside down reel.
Hey, no.
And we're gonna use bait casters like this. And casting is the hardest part. You have to, look how you have to do your finger, like that.
Hard for me. I have to be like this.
Beautiful cast. And then this is how I was holding it. I literally did this. I was like, another one! Upside down!
No.
Oh my gosh! That's 2 in a row. 2 casts in a row. Upside down. That's gonna be the title of this video, Upside Down Fishing Challenge. I'm catching more fish. I've caught as many fish fishing wrong than I have right today. He's got like a line through his... He's got like a blank line through his spots. Yeah, he's got some weird growths. Yes, sir. You don't smell as good as the last one, sorry. All right, sweet pea. Go get bigger, honey. They're loving this thing. At it. It is the most messed up soft plastic I've ever used. It's like I had to bite part of it off. It's like half of what it used to be. It's just a little bit more finesse, you know. That was my intent.
Come on, strong boy.
Oh gosh, almost left without me. Oh, you hear that wind noise in the mic? Yeah. Yeah, that just goes to show how lovely the weather is today.
Oh, he's fishing. Nice.
He's fishing. Fishing? Fishing, really? Fishing's boring. Why is he fishing? It's always nice being in the woods without lights, isn't it? So lovely. I do have a light, but it's like a really bad one. Okay.